How to remove a person from any photo using Snapseed. Open a Snapseed application and then select a photo. Tap on Tools, and from this tools go ahead and tap on Double Exposure and select the same photo. Now the double exposure photo will look something like this. Arrange it either in left or right, matching the background. As you can see here, I'm trying to level up the landscape here. Then make sure to make the opacity 100%. Now tap on the undo option and tap on view edits and choose the brush icon in double exposure. Make sure the double exposure is in 100. Now gently and precisely brush it out, and as you brush it out you will see the image gets deleted of the person. Don't worry about the rough edges because we will go ahead and edit it furthermore. So here I am erasing the person here, and as you can see the landscape labeling looks like this right here. Now I'm doing it really quickly, but you can do it precisely. Here I'm arranging some of the rough edges to make it more natural looking, as you can see right here. Now once you're happy with it, just give it a tick mark and head back. So this is the after and this is the before. Doesn't it look pretty? You can do furthermore edits by tapping on tools and tapping on tune image and increase the brightness, contrast, saturation and more from this option. Go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you very soon.